The webinar you have entered as an organizer and may now speak to
Welcome
any other
everybody
organizers
to
or
our latest pick
panelists on the line.
for
When you are
March
ready to begin a
17th.
presentation, press the Start
We're going to be looking at a
Broadcast
long
button on
position
the
at Helmerich
GoToWebinar
and
control
Payne.
panel
And Mr.
to allow
Hell, if you're
all
listening,
attendees
I
to hear you. The
apologize.
system
I
will
just
notify you
slaughtered your
once you
name.
begin your
But it's
broadcast.
ticker symbol HP. Now, taking a look at the proprietary risk reward rating from Tradespoon, we're coming in at a level 4 on the scale. So it's right in that mid-range. And the value momentum on our Tradespoon proprietary score is coming in at an 8, so it is at the upper end of that range. And as always, you can drill deeper on those value momentum and risk-reward ratings, as well as get our other proprietary Tradespoon scores and dig real deep into the fundamentals and technicals through our proprietary analysis report. Now, taking a look at the current action in HP, we see that the closing price came in at $97.95. Right off of those 52-week highs of 101.02 and well off the lows of 55.78. You do see that the implied volatility percent change has gone up, and we're actually at the 33% level, which means that the implied volatility is up the 52-week lows by 33%. That is a good, decent-sized move, and there is some heightened expectations, so we want to keep an eye on that IB percentile. The return on capital right now is coming in at 60%, and we're seeing the probability of success coming in at 55%. And the estimated move is coming in right now at $5.50, and that is going into April expiration. Taking a look at the stock pick, we're looking to buy stock, HP, at $97.95 or better. Once we are filled, we want to put a sell limit order above our entry price by $10.10. So we're going to have a sell limit working at 107, basically 108.05. So you can put it in even at 108 even. We're also going to put in a sell stop limit in $10 lower. So we're basically going to be getting out of this trade somewhere around $87, maybe even $88 on that buy stop limit. And as always, use prudent size management. No more than 3 to 5% of either the buying power available, cash buying power available, or percentage buying power available. Also, take a look at the current option strategy. Let's look at that. We're going to be buying the $97.50 calls. We're going to put a limit price of $3.30 or better. Once we are filled at that limit price or better, we're going to put in a sell limit, good till cancel, above that entry price by $3.30. So if we get filled at $3.30, we're going to put in an order to sell to close at a limit of $6.30. $6.60 good until cancel. Now, we are willing to lose the full $3.30 per contract, so be very prudent on your size management on this one. In other words, no more than 2.5 tops to 10% on this particular trade for the single leg option. For the option spread, we're looking at doing a bull call spread. In this case, we're going to be buying the $95 calls and paying $4.90. We're going to sell the $97.50 calls, and we're going to receive $3.30. So that's a $2.50 bull call spread that we're going to be paying roughly $1.60 for. Now, our target gain is going to be 90 cents higher. So when this is trading at $2.50, let's say $2.40, we could sell to close this particular strategy. And our max loss is the full debit that we pay for this, $1.60 per contract. So again, use prudent size management. In other words, no more than 2.5 to tops 10% for you small account holders of your either cash available or percentage buying power. And as always, you can use our proprietary virtual trade here at Tradespoon if you're either new to the picks or if you're new to the strategy, you want to work out your risk and capital management plans. Taking a look at the stock background and analysis, we see that the chart has been quite bullish, especially since February and going into March. So we're going to keep an eye on that. And one thing that we want to do is look at the fundamental and technical events, as well as seeing if there are any binary events like earnings. And at this juncture, we don't see anything going into March or April, but we will keep an eye on that. And as always, you can look at the news and commentary that was out at the time of the pick. Well, if you ever need any help, please email us at info@tradespoon.com and take advantage of our training that we have available. We have an upcoming webinar going on Meet the Greeks on March 19th at 8 p.m. And we also will have a follow-up on March 20th at noon. So if you make one of those two, sign up, and all you have to do is go to our events page, which is under training and upcoming webinars. Well, folks, I really appreciate you being on tonight, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care and have a great trading day.